Alright guys, the directions ask us to determine if the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or coincidental and explain why. Okay, so let's take a look at the first two sets of equations. It looks like these lines have the same slope, but they happen to have not the same y-intercept. So if they had the same slope, but not the same y-intercept, then these lines must be parallel. Okay? Now let's take a look at the next example. It looks like this one is already in y-intercept form, so we can easily see the slope-intercept form, so we can easily see the slope and the y-intercept. So this one is not in slope-intercept form, which means we need to convert it before we can make our decision. Okay, so I'm going to add the 8x to the other side, and then I'm going to divide by 2. Okay, now we can go ahead and compare the two equations. It looks like they have the same slope and they have the same y-intercept. If they are the exact same lines, then these lines are considered coincidental. Okay. And the last one in this section, it looks like they are already both in slope-intercept form because we can easily identify both. It looks like this slope is -1/3 and this slope is +3/1. Okay, this is an example of opposite reciprocals, therefore these lines must be perpendicular.